Good morning, student. I am Harshnath Shukla, and today's topic for class 12th is multiplication of a matrices. So, in multiplication of matrices, first of all, we see the definition. Let A is equals to Aij of M cross N, and B is equal to Bij of N cross P. Then multiplication of matrix A and B is denoted by AB and is defined as AB is equal to Cij of M cross P. So, in multiplication of matrices, the most important thing is if you consider two matrices and you want to multiply it, then multiplication is exist only when the order of first matrix is M cross N and the order of second matrix is N cross P. That is, the number of column in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Then only multiplication is exist. So for the multiplication of the matrices, we need two matrices such that A is equal to 2 cross 3, then B must be equal to 3 cross 2. Then only the multiplication of these two matrices is AB, and this is equal to of 2 cross 2. So how will we multiply? So we consider multiplication, we can see from an example because it is easy to see. So we can see here example number 12. Find AB if A is equal to 6923 and B is equal to 260 and 798. Now see these two matrices. What is the order of first matrix? You know, order of the first matrix is 2 cross 2. And what is the order of the second matrix? You know very well, this is the 2 cross 3. So what is the order of resulting matrix? Order of resulting matrix is 2 cross 3. That is, AB is have 2 cross 3. So you see here AB is of 2 cross 3. So very easy. You just take multiplication. How will we multiply? See. Now please, I am just going to remove it. So see here, you just make like this, like this, this and this. If you want first entry, then you write here 6 and 9, okay, and then 2 7, and now multiply 6 2s are, see here, 6 2s are 12 plus 9 7s are 9 7s are 63. So see the first entry. Similarly, the first row by first column, the first row by second column. That means I am just going to replace it by the second column 6 9, and then 6 6 are 36, 9 9 are 81. See, this is the second entry. Now again I replace this by 0 comma 8. So here 0, here 8. So this is 6 0 0, 9 8 72. See. So these are the first. Similarly, you can replace the second column by second row by 2 3, and then again repeat 2 7, then 6 9, then 0 8. So 2 2s are 4, 3 7s are 21. See here. So these are the multiplication. Similarly, you can multiply each and every matrices whatever given. So same next example we can see. A is equal to this, B is equal to this, and then find AB and B, and so that AB does not equal to BA. So you see the first matrix is of order 2 cross 3, the second is 3 cross 2, then the resulting matrix is of 2 cross 2. In BA, see the order of the first matrix is 3 cross 2, the order of second matrix is 2 cross 3, then resulting matrix is 3 cross 3. So you can multiply again in the same method, and so AB does not equal to BA. Now we are just going to see some rules on multiplication of matrices. It's a very important rule. As you see in properties of addition of matrices, addition of matrices are commutative, but here AB and BA, that is multiplication of matrices, need not be commutative. Okay, so first see remark, AB is defined, then BA need not be defined. First thing is this, means AB may be defined but BA may not be defined. Suppose you can take a matrix A of order 2 cross 3 and B is of order 3 cross 5. Then AB is defined and is of resulting matrix AB is of order 2 cross 5, but B 3 cross 5 and 2 cross 8, this not be defined. So sometimes AB defined but BA not defined. Okay, so this is the remarkable point, that A and B are two matrices, then they are only defined if the number of rows in the first column in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix, the first thing. Now AB and BA both defined, then it is not necessarily AB is equal to BA. Also, if AB and BA both are defined, then it is not necessarily, that is this need not be that AB and BA is equal to equal, that is multiplication, matrix multiplication is commutative. Okay, so maybe this is clear. Now see here clearly, if you see example number 14, A is this, B is this, AB is this, BA is this, clearly AB does not equal to BA. In this case, AB is defined, BA is defined, but they are not equal. Okay, so this is the very important and remarkable point that you can see here. And now next thing, yes, this note, this does not mean AB does not equal to BA for every pair of matrices A and B for which AB and BA is defined. For instance, you see A10, B this thing, BA, AB both are defined, both are equal. Okay, so see this case, and you see one thing, in which case AB and B are defined and equal. See, this is a very important. There are two diagonal, one is main diagonal and another is this diagonal. So if except main diagonal all elements are 0, see here 0 0 0 0, then AB and BA both are defined and they are equal. And now see this important point, zero matrix as the product of two non-zero matrix. This is a very important, zero matrix as the product of two non-zero. In real number, you see if A dot B is equal to 0, then either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Means that if A dot B is equal to 0, then any one of them must be 0. But in the matrix case, both are non-zero but resulting AB is 0. See, in real number it is not possible, but in matrix it is possible. A is the matrix which is non-zero, see here. B is the matrix which is non-zero matrix, okay. But you find AB, then it must be 0. So, in this manner, we see the matrix multiplication. And also, properties of multiplication of matrices. One commutative is also already seen. Now next one is the associative law. Yes, matrix multiplication is associative. That means AB dot C is equal to A dot BC. The distributive law, that is a matrix is distributive over addition. So A dot B plus C, that means AB plus AC. A plus B dot C, AC plus BC. The existence of identity, the same manner. Uh, I is the identity matrix, which is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix. Identity matrix C. Identity matrix already we defined for order 2 cross 2 1 0 0 1, and for 3 cross 3 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Okay, these are the identity matrix. Now see example number 16. This is the question which is based on distributive law of multiplication. So for today's topic it is completed. Now you see the example and solve it, and try to solve the exercise also. And whatever doubt you have, you consider an app, Doubtnut, which is help to solve the problems. Okay,